We buy things we don't need. With money, we don't have to impress people we don't like. If you will live like no one else, later, you can live like no one else. Pray, like it all depends on God, but work, like it all depends on you. Act, your wage. A budget is telling your money where to go, instead of wondering where it went. You must gain control over your money, or the lack of it will forever control you. Fear is the enemy of hope. Without a mission statement, you may get to the top of the ladder, and then realize it was leaning against the wrong building. Stupid is not illegal. The enemy of the best is not the worst. The enemy of the best is just fine. There's a whole generation growing up thinking the government exists to care for them. A good plan, violently executed now, is better than a perfect plan next week.